Hello everyone, and welcome to the National Cooking Channel, Eat Well, Live Well. Today we're going to be doing an installment in our tea series, which will be covering a frozen peach strawberry mint milk tea. But first, if you're new to our channel, or it's the first time watching one of our videos, please take the time to hit the like button, the subscribe button, and notification button, which will notify you whenever we release new video content, which will be generally once a week. Let's go ahead and start making our frozen peach strawberry mint milk tea. Well, that concludes our beverage journey for today. I hope you enjoyed making a frozen peach strawberry mint milk tea as much as we did. Now, if you liked it, you enjoyed it, if you might need modifications of your own, have any recommendations of other recipes we should try, please let us know by leaving a comment down below. We'd love to hear about it. As a community of experimentation, we like to try all kinds of things here. Also, don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe, and notification button, which will notify you of all our future releases. Now until next time, eat well, live well, and we'll see you in our next beverage journey. Bye-bye.